All right, it is time for Kinder's annual awesome Christmas cookie day. Literally the day before Christmas. Let's just hope nobody dies. Ugh. I think I'm already going to die. Jeez. Okay, I have been testing recipes for months. These cookies are flawless. Oh God, I hear a lot of people. Achoo! Mommy, I want a cookie so bad. Oh, okay, it's okay, honey. I'll get a cookie. I want a cookie so bad right now. Oh, my God. Dad, I want a snowman cookie. That child just sneezed on my soul. Flu season. I knew it. I told you guys. And it said on my computer that it was flu season. Have a nice day. One sec, everyone. Okay. If they're sick, I can't serve the cookies. It wouldn't be safe at all. People would get coughed up snot on their gingerbread man and little kids licking the wrapper of candy canes when they unwrap it. It's disgusting. They're all gross. I can't serve any of my cookies if they're coughing all over them. But they all came for your cookies. All right, let's go. These cookies are so good. My mama says they taste... Oh, wait. Oh, I'm just so excited. These cookies are so good. My mama says it makes her period feel better. Girl, I love... No, ew, that's gross. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Hi, can I get 2 sugar cookies, please? Okay. My mommy says that these cookies are better than when she divorced her husband. My dada. Honey, we don't talk about that. Oh, I love drama. But kid, that's the wrong kind of drama. In my town, when kids get sick, we help. No questions. Tissues. Here, have a tissue. Haven't I gave you 5? Yeah. Okay, 6. I'm not serving these. What? I'll make simple ones. No decorations, just warm, fresh, safe. That's leadership, sugar. Thank you so much. It tastes like my grandma's. Those are the best kind. All done. Have a Merry Christmas, guys. Hopefully see you tomorrow on Christmas Day. Yeah. Bye, y'all. All right. I'm heading out, gang. Sugar Plum Theory will be gone.
Did she just levitate?